Thank you.
Might need a little resuscitation. Hailing from the tiny island of Jamaica, Ernie helped his homeland to become one of the most influential forces in the world of music, culture, and revolution. Shaping this movement was the brilliant innovator, maestro Ranglin, the greatest guitar player that you never heard of, but who influenced everyone.
We are in a show, countryman. Do you want to stretch your legs? You want to go get a drink, maybe a little nibble for 5 minutes? Or you just come from that? So you want countryman right now? All right. Make all those who know, they think countryman now show me next day up there. Countryman, please, sir. Thank you. In the life of Jamaican music and film. And he's been a close associate, I would say, of Chris Blackwell for many, many years. And I think it's not osmosis, it's a meeting of creative minds why they've remained so close. Dickie has been around from way back at the beginnings of Island Records. And not only in his musical career, suddenly one day he said, hey, I'm going to make a movie. And that movie was Countryman, which you're really going to enjoy. Dickie, come talk to me. Tell us what led to the making of Countryman.
Well, it was Countryman's idea. We were watching Perry Hensel edit No Place Like Home and said to me, let's borrow Perry's camera and make a bush movie. And it was my first attempt at writing a script and directing a movie, so there are several faults in it, but I hope you all enjoy it. Thanks.
Don't go ahead. I still want Rick Agwood to come here because we saw a really nice little movie there, Rick. Yes, Surf Rasta. Really. Your history as a filmmaker is legendary as well. You and Don Letts have been filming partners for many years. You worked on many music videos and you worked on many feature films. Tell us a little of that history.
Well, really, it's the same Chris Blackwell, actually. Seemed to be the foundation of Jamaican film industry, obviously, initially with How Do They Come and then on to Dickie's film, and then finally, when Digital Age came in, Dancehall Queen, Third World Cup. I wasn't involved in my other film, One Love, but he is slightly involved in the Surf Rasta project, so anyway, I just give thanks to him, and I wish he'd come back into Jamaican film in a big way, because it needs that kind of financial support that he has. Thanks.
Yes, I give Chris Blackwell lots of praise. It's not a matter of him coming back. I think he's laid his foundation and set his example, and things must go on. We must take on from where he's set us up, literally, because I'm a little part of that as well, that Chris Blackwell film legacy.
Yeah, absolutely, Barbara. Yeah, I mean, but I think that it's about time that other industry came in. I know industry and private individuals can get more out of Cash Plus than they feel they can get out of a movie. So they're more likely to invest in something like that. Okay, so maybe that'll change. And they'll be inspired by, one of the recent films that's been made here. They'll make big returns and come back and show on an international level what Jamaican film can do. I mean, this festival has been great. Our Roots film is ridiculously funny, right? And, things like that can grow, and I hope to be part of that. The second thing that we saw was a thing called Me and the Crew. There have been a number of sitcoms, soap operas, let's call them, in Jamaica, Lime Tree Lane and Royal Palms. It's about time that there was a contemporary soap opera, and this is it, and I hope that we'll be carrying it on a few major terrestrial TV stations within the next couple of months. All right.
That's excellent, and definitely for next year's film festival, we'll have the full-length version of that. Dickie, before you go, come back here. I hear you're making Countryman too. Tell me about it.
It's in the planning stages at the moment, and we're working on the script. But hopefully we'll get it by the end of the year.
I'm certainly looking forward to number 2, and I'm looking forward to seeing Countryman again. It's been a long time. Films like these never fade, and it's nice to see it again. Bless. Don't you?
So, we're off to make our soup. Well, what else we're going to talk about tonight? The evening just coming down. It's Thursday. And we're coming to the end of Reggae Month down here.